hectic days and busy nights. Who has time to cook? That's why many of us rely on the grab-and-go ease of processed foods. There's a downside though. These meals are often high in fat, salt, and sugar, which can lead to a high cholesterol level. And yes, high levels of quote bad cholesterol can cause you a hard time, while the good cholesterol isn't going to impact your health whatsoever. Because ultimately, our body needs cholesterol and even produce one by ourselves. But what if you are diagnosed with high cholesterol by a doctor? Sure, you are not allowed to eat foods that are high in cholesterol, but there are so many prohibitions about what kinds of food you can't eat, but never what kind of food you can eat. So, what foods can you eat if you have a high cholesterol level? Hey there, healthy folks! Welcome to the Healthy Universe. In today's video, we are going to show you foods to eat if you have a high cholesterol. But before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with our weekly healthy tips and tricks. Cholesterol is arguably one of the most misunderstood substances. For decades, people avoided healthy yet cholesterol-rich foods like eggs due to the fear that these foods would increase the risk of heart disease. Want to know more about egg? Is it good or evil? Check on our previous video by clicking on the top right corner here. There are two types of cholesterol, the good ones and bad ones. The bad one is called LDL, or low density lipoprotein. The good one is called HDL, or high density lipoprotein. Now, if you are diagnosed with high cholesterol level, it means that your LDL level is high and the HDL level is low. But we are not going to discuss about LDL and HDL in today's video. If you want to know more about it, you can click on our previous video on the top right corner here. Today, we are going to discuss about what foods can you eat if you have a high cholesterol. Let's get right to it. Number 1. Green veggies. Vegetables are a vital part of a heart-healthy diet. They are rich in fiber and antioxidants and low in calories, which is necessary for maintaining a healthy weight. Some vegetables are particularly high in pectin, the same cholesterol-lowering soluble fiber that occurs in apples and oranges. Pectin-rich vegetables also includes okra, eggplants, carrots, and potatoes. Number 2. Fruity fruits and berries. Many types of fruits are rich in soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels. It does this by encouraging your body to get rid of cholesterol and stopping your liver from producing this compound. One kind of soluble fiber called pectin lowers cholesterol by up to 10%. It's found in fruits including apples, grapes, citrus fruits, and strawberries. Yummy! Fruits also contains bioactive compounds that help prevent heart disease due to their antioxidants and anti-inflammatory effects. Eating berries and grapes, which are particularly rich sources of these plants' compound, can help increase good HDL and lower the bad LDL cholesterol. Number 3. Fatty fish. Vegetables and fruits are obvious foods that can be eaten if you have a high cholesterol. It's almost a bit cliche in some ways. So in order to spice up the food selection, fatty fish is also included in your yes you can eat foods for high cholesterol. Fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel are excellent sources of long-chain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s bolster heart health by increasing good HDL cholesterol and lowering inflammation and stroke risk. Keep in mind that the healthiest way to cook fish are steaming or stewing. In fact, fried fish may increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Fish is a major part of the Mediterranean diet, which has been extensively studied for its benefits in heart health. Some of the heart protective benefits of fish may also come from certain peptides found in fish proteins. Number 4. Soy foods. Eating soybeans and foods made from them like tofu and soy milk was once touted as a powerful way to lower cholesterol. analyses show that the effect is more modest. Consuming 25 grams of soy protein a day can lower LDL by 5% to 6%. Number 5. Legumes. Legumes, also known as pulses, are a group of plant foods that includes beans, peas, and lentils. Legumes contains a lot of fiber, minerals, and protein. Replacing some refined grains and processed meats in your diet with legumes can lower your risk of heart disease. A review of 26 randomized controlled studies showed that eating a half cup or 100 grams of legumes per day is effective at lowering bad LDL cholesterol. Number 6. Almond and walnuts. They are very high in monounsaturated fats. Walnuts are also rich in a plant variety of omega-3 fatty acids, a type of polyunsaturated fat associated with heart health. Almonds and other nuts are particularly rich in L-arginine, an amino acid that helps your body to make nitric oxide. This in turn helps regulate blood pressure. What's more, nuts provide phytosterols. These plant compounds are structurally similar to cholesterol and help lower cholesterol by blocking its absorption in your intestine. Number 7. Dark chocolate and cocoa. It may seem a little too good to be true, but research verifies the claims that dark chocolate and cocoa can lower the bad LDL cholesterol. In one study, healthy adults drank a cocoa beverage twice a day for a month. They experienced a reduction in bad LDL cholesterol of 6.5 mg per dl. Their blood pressure also decreased and their good HDL cholesterol level increased. Cocoa and dark chocolate also seems to protect your bad LDL cholesterol in your blood from oxidation, which is a key cause of heart disease. However, chocolate is often high in added sugar, which negatively affects heart health. Therefore, you should use cocoa alone or choose dark chocolate with a cocoa content of 75 to 85% or higher. So the bottom line is, foods that you can eat if you have a high cholesterol turned out to be not only raw vegetables and fruits. It ranges from a variety of foods from fatty fish, soy foods, almonds, legume, all the way to dark chocolate. However, if your cholesterol level is persist, we recommend you to immediately seek for a doctor.